Alright, just open up the garage door, take a look at all the snow we got again. More snow. Got about 7-8 inches again. Looks real pretty, but I gotta start snow blowing. Hard to believe that we got this much snow. There's a good 3 feet on the ground now. Easy 3 feet. Alright, this is the driveway after snow blowing. Pretty good. Can't complain. See over there? I don't know if you can see that beyond, right by the shed. That, the handles of a broken lawnmower is sticking up right there. I was going to take it to the dump, but it started snowing, and now it's, well, it's up to the handles. Give you an idea how deep it is. So I did some snow blowing. I've been out here for about 3 hours. Got on the roof, cleaned up as much of the roof as I could. So we're doing alright. Here's to show you how bad the ice damming problem is. I don't know if it's coming on the camera or not, but that's all ice coming off, running down the walls from the flat roof up there. And it's doing damage to the rooms down below. Both bathrooms are, one the ceiling downstairs is shot, and the other one, the whole wall where all that water is shot. So I think that looks like a little project for me, possibly. It's thick. We'll come back here. This is the path. See on the air conditioning unit how high the snow is. Take a look at the, somewhere in there is propane tank. I cleared a path out to the wood. This right here is where it seems to be the deepest. I'm going to get a stick out and measure. Look at that fence right there. I mean, that's just snow. That's a little drifting. See the, come here, can't even find the steps. That's 2 chairs. Here we go, this is a patio set. And that's my grill. There's at least 30 inches on the grill. And you can see a lot of snow. A lot of snow. And I cleared out to the mailbox. Well, looks nice anyway. Well, here we are in the backyard. I got my trusty measuring stick, and we're going to see how deep the snow is. Let's see here. Looks like a good spot. Gotta get through the ice. Whoa. We got 33 inches. I don't know if you can see that. 33 inches. Yep. That's just crazy talk. 33 inches. Wow. Well, oh, you can look back there. I don't know if you can see it through the woods. There's a barn that collapsed back there. That collapsed under snow 2 years ago, and now it looks like it's finished. And we'll look back at the house. Lots of dripping. Lots of snow. Alright, I'm going inside for some hot chocolate.